Got a Sailnovo car rooftop cargo carrier, and I just opened the top. So let's take it out and see if I can fit it on our new to us Armada. See how easy it is to put this thing on. Okay, comes in a black bag with a zipper, clasp, a strap, instructions. There's the logo, the kind we got. I'm gonna read the instructions and I'll come back to you and see how it goes on. So just doing some inventory, I've got the 20 cubic version, 20 cubic feet, and I've got 6 straps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you've got the 15 cubic version, you'll only have 4 of those. I've got 6 door hooks. They all came in that plastic bag. And I've got 2 long straps. Now if you've got the 15 cubic version, you'll have 2 straps and only 4 of these door hooks. And by the way, I call it Sailnovo. I just realized it's Sailnovo. And one important thing to know is which side is the front. The non-zippered part goes to the front. So there's the zippered part. If I lift up this flat, there's the zipper. So that means that's the front. So I need to get it on the car like that. One thing to note is that it does say to actually get it on top of the car and load it with suitcases and luggage before you strap it down. So like I said, the non-zippered part goes towards the front. This side does not have the zipper. This side does. So I need to make sure this goes toward the front. Just like that. And it's going to be difficult to record this high up, but you can see my car has these 2 support racks that go across the center. So I've got it kind of placed to where the straps on the front and back are just kind of near those. So I'll be able to wrap around there. There's the other one right there. Just kind of got it close. I'm going to go ahead and open the flap where the zipper is, which has got some Velcro. Okay. Nice. Yeah, our trip is not actually for another couple of weeks, but I want to go ahead and get this set up so I can know how to strap it on when the time came. So I've just got some empty suitcases. It's probably going to be a lot more difficult when they're full getting them up on here. But for now, I'm going the extra mile. I'm going ahead and putting some empty suitcases in here for you so you can see how this works. I wonder if it'll fit like this. I'll have to find out. I'm actually going to have to lay him down. It's not going to close on this side if I don't. So I'll probably pull this one around to the side over here. Another person on that end holding it, make it easier. Maybe kind of hard for you to see because of the light in the sky, but I'm going to pull the zipper. There's another zipper back here I didn't know about. So I'm just going to pull this other one all the way up to it. And then I'm going to completely close the flap and Velcro it back all the way around. I guess that's good. Here you can see where the front comes to. It comes up just behind the sunroof and it goes all the way back to that back center cross support. Next, I just got to secure all the straps. I got to loosen it up. I wonder if I can go around like this. That'll pull it to the center and to the side. I'm going to get these mostly attached and then come back and cinch them all down tight. Okay, I'm going around and I've cinched them all. Right now, seems pretty good on there. So I feel pretty good about it right now. So the only thing left to do is to worry about these flaps here. These will flap in the wind and probably cause a lot of noise. So I'm probably going to end up bunching these up somehow and securing them with rubber bands or something like that. I'll let you know what I figure out with that later. But for now, that's basically how it goes up on the car. It does note to make sure it's packed enough to where there's not an impression in the top so that rainwater can't collect in the top. And to make sure the flaps are all the way down covering the zippers, because you don't want any water getting in the zippers. But that's about it. That's the installation video. We've actually got a trip coming up in a couple of weeks, like I mentioned. 7-hour drive from where we are, so I'll do a follow-up video to show you how it lasts, how it holds up, and if it was helpful at all, just give it a thumbs up. I'm trying to speak a little louder because my kids are making all kinds of racket in the background. See ya. The door hooks that it comes with are for cars that do not have a roof rack. So what it says to do is to pull down the insulation in the door to put this onto the frame and then put the insulation back in place. And that way you can use it that way with the straps. I will not be using these door hooks because I have a roof with a rack on it.